girls, welcome back to the channel. If you happen to be a newbie that's passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and in today's video I'm here today to share with you all a lace front wig by OUTRE called Elina, which looks like this right here. This is the face card for Elina. That's the model that's rocking the unit. And when it comes to this wig, it really sparked my interest simply because of its style color. Okay, the color I'm gonna share with you is 27613 PEEKA 30. Oh my gosh, this is what it's looking like when you get it out of its packaging. I decided to go with the 27613, but it was the name PEEKA 30 that did it for me, so I'm so excited. Now I've already cut the lace off of this wig right here. Didn't want to bore you all with doing that, and I'm going to quickly share with you the specs as far as inside of the wig in the unit. You know what it's looking like. So standard construction cap. You have two combs, one on each side of the temples right here. You have a comb in the nape of the neck, as well as the adjustable straps right here on the unit. Now while I have it like this is the PEEKA right here. This is the PEEKA 30. That, you know, that is what attracted me to this unit, truth be told, was the back of it being the brownish color and then the front being the blonde color. So I'm just going to put this on so we can see what it's looking like. Okay, this is what it looked like. This is not what it looks like. Let me get my mirror together, because ain't nobody walking outside like this. Imagine that. No. Anyway, fixing my mirror right here. Oh my, look at this. Have you ever seen anybody with their wig on like this? Really? I mean, let me know, because this wouldn't look right. That wouldn't look right. So anyway, I'm gonna fix her, you know, pull her back a little bit, adjust her accordingly. Now what I already like about this wig is that it gives off a lot of stretch as far as on the cap. It gives off a lot of stretch. If you want, you can add, you know, some baby hairs. Personally, I'm not going to do that. I'm not much of a baby hair type wearing person. It really would depend on the wig itself. So what I'm going to do now is quickly comb her out a little bit, you know, with a wide tooth comb. I want to comb her out a little bit and come back to you all once I have her pretty styled, because the angle of my mirror and talking to you all, the two is not going to go together. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I don't really care for this wig. I don't really care for Elina. It's giving me too much work to make it work. Like, you know, like I really have to put effort in on either brushing this out, styling it, laying down edges, and I'm the kind of wig wearer, and this is just me. I can only speak about me. When it comes to wigs, for me, they have to be fast, easy, and simple. Like I don't want to have to do too much. Like, you know, I want to be able to take it out the packaging, put it on, maybe use my fingers to style it, cut the lace, and I'm ready to go. I don't even honestly gel down or glue down my wigs unless it's absolutely freaking necessary. Like if I'm going to an event or something like that, then yeah, you'll catch me using my Shea Moisture Wig and Weave human and synthetic hair bonding glue that's infused with aloe vera, okay, and tea tree oil. Looks like this right here. Yeah, I will use this to, you know, bond the wig down, but that's only if it's for an event. But something for like today, I got, you know, some errands to run for today. I needed to put this on you know, use my hands a little bit and be able to go. And I'm not comfortable with just going right now. So this is OUTRE Elina. She's 16 inches long. She is curl iron safe, flat iron safe, up to 400 degrees. She has HD transparent lace, and she comes in a plethora of colors. Ooh, you got many colors that you'll be able to choose from. And she got 5-inch deep parting space, which is excellent because I didn't have to do any manipulation on this parting space as far as its width or its length. So what you see is what you're going to get. I did add my face powder, so when I say I didn't do any manipulation on the parting, I mean I didn't tweeze it, I didn't pluck it, I didn't do the pull hair method to it. The length and its width is exactly what you're going to get. So that was a good thing about her. So on that note, dolls, this is going to conclude the video. I want to try to finesse her a little bit more so I can get out of here, go run some errands. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. More information about this OUTRE Elina will be down in the description box below, so make sure you check there for its details. So I'm gonna go and start trying to finesse this Elina, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. And oh, if you happen to be a newbie passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam. I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload with things like what I just shown you in this video right here. Hit that subscribe button. Seriously, this concludes the video.